What? Oh my god.
What, dude? It's not that
Dang,
difficult.
like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, Josiah. Like, bro, can you help me? Can you help me?
Well, you need to clean the thing off or something.
I got. I'm gonna just go ahead and pick him out and tell him.
No.
What happened?
This isn't your first time, man.
Listen. Mom, come help me.
Look like something. Something coming out.
Let me see.
But it ain't do nothing.
Bro, what the fuck? Bro, don't tell me this shit on my fucking shirt, bro. What the man, watch out, bro.
Like, look. Look.